Rich being easy again with another small problem, easy fix. This Procter Silex coffee maker, it's a regular drip, cheapo drip one. You can adjust the strength of the brew from thick to thin, I guess. That's what that means. And this knob flips around easy. If you don't do something, it tends to flip towards this one and the coffee tastes just awful. So what is going on inside? Well, there's this is what the knob does up here. It turns this. And that moves this. Oh, and you see there's a little thing moving over? That's blocking it. That's open. Block, open. When this closes, that drops right down into the middle of the coffee filter. So you want that fully open, which means you want that locked on thick. There is a bypass here. It goes into these little bits here, and it bypasses the filter altogether because that pushes the coffee filter out. Yeah, you don't want that. You want it all to go through the filter. If you want weak coffee, put less coffee in. Here's the fix. Put a bit of tape, get it in the thick position, tape it in place. There you go. Done. Now all the coffee, most of the water will go through the coffee. So you can decide how much coffee's in it and not a little knob here. Silly idea.